All right, guys. Hi. I know you guys can't see me, but this is a vlog. So you guys, I went to Walmart today. I showed you. I picked up the four LED pug lights. So I got those along with these patchouli charcoal incense. I got those. I got some spearmint for my toothpaste that I need to make. I got some Duracell Optimum batteries for my lights here. And guys, this is what I got from Goodwill. So you guys are going to figure out where I'm going to put those. But I just wanted to bring you guys along. It is 11/1/21 today. Yes, it is, guys. We're moving right along. But that is going to do it for me. I just wanted to show you my goodies that I hauled today from Walmart and Goodwill. It's truly, truly a blessing. These together, guys, these were $3.62 for both. And they're so beautiful. Look at that. So big and heavy. $3.39. And the thing about this, guys, these were half off. So you already know she had to get them. This is the third time I've seen them in there. And for them to be half off today, they were meant for me. And they were meant to go home with me. Y'all know I like if I'm going to buy something, it has to be a statement, not no little bitty trinkets. But yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, guys. Oh, forgot. I picked up these things too because I'm going to show you what I'm going to have for dinner, okay? I ate some of these already though, but you'll see.